Hey, back off. I gave you food. So these guys coming right up to me. Well, it used to be 4, but now there's only 3. 1, 2, and the third one's out there eating. I just filled the bird feeders. They'll walk right up to me before I feed them. He's a little. I didn't finish the video. There was people parked at the lake. And then I went to town. I went to lunch. Now I'm home. Yeah, these guys are pretty friendly. I mean, their beaks are about 6 inches long. They'll go right through my arm or hand, so I don't push my luck. But got some decent pictures of them. But those are neighborhood birds. Hey, hey, hey! Everybody behave. Ain't no reason for that. This guy's gonna walk right up to me. He's 2 foot away, 3 foot. He's not that far away from me. That's probably 5 feet away where he's pecking the ground. Maybe 6. But not by much. But they're pretty friendly. But it was a good morning. I mean, I got out, did some videoing. So, didn't really see much. Got a couple pictures. I'll have to go through them. I don't think any of them really turned out. Mostly woodpeckers. Little chickadees, I guess. I don't know what they're really called. So that'll wrap this video up. Everybody take care. Love your neighbor. Love everybody. Peace, harmony. Standing up straight. Oh, mail call. Gotta go get my mail. Peace. Everybody love everybody. Everybody have a great day.